So, good day everyone. I am Arnold Ray Sahera from BCS 3A. And I'm here to present to you of how to build a lexical analyzer for a programming language of your choice using Flex. And the analyzers be able to recognize and classifies all the lexical elements of the language. For example, keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and punctuation symbols. And also include support for error handling, such as detecting and reporting syntax error or invalid tokens, and produce a formatted output to analyze the code. So uh, first we go to this. You can search the Flex download, or you can go to YouTube. But my pero yung Flex na akin is, so you can search the Flex then download, but me I get this on the Google Drive, which I found at YouTube, from a YouTuber. So it's here from Hariharan LK. Here you just download the Flex 2.5.4a -1xc. Then you download it. I already download it. Then after you download it, you install this. Then after you install this, just like this, you install this, yes. And you can say next, and next. You just next all the, but me I already installed it, so I would not, di ko na kailangan i-install to. So inuno ko na. So after ma-install niya, after niya ma-download, pupunta na tayo dito sa files. Then as, then pupunta tayo dito sa Acers. Then pupunta tayo dito sa Program Files 86. Then pupunta tayo dito sa Genuine 32. Then dito sa Bing. Then as you can see there, you can now see the application of Flex, the Flex++ and the Flex. Then para made, mapun, para may mailagay natin ito sa path is kailangan nating i-copy yung kanyang location path, like this. I-control C lang natin, copy. Then after that, we go to this, then go to settings. Here, about functions, then we go to advanced system settings, then go to environment variables. Then after that, i-click lang natin tong path dito sa baba ng OS Windows. I-click natin, then i-click natin yung new. Pero ako kasi is tapos ko nang ilagay yung genuine 32 files. So kaya okay na siya. Okay. Then okay lang. Then okay lang lahat. Then after that, may ginawa na ako ditong code dito sa files ko. Ito yung aking ginawa. So para ma-open yan is ilalagay lang natin dito yung CMD. So, just type CMD, then, yun. Ito na tayo. So, so, you just type flex space yung pangalan, the name of the files or the lecture dot l. Then, may lalabas na, makikita nyo, may lalabas na lex.yy. So, ang gagawin naman natin, alin natin yan ay is gcc space, then copy lang natin siya, yung lex.yy, then lagyan natin dam.c. Yan. So, yung may nakita na kayong A, so to run this code, yung kailangan lang natin is, last step niya is the command a dot exec, then enter, then pwede na natin mag-type kung ano. For example is this, is 1, 1, 1, 1, then lagyan na tayo ng mga letters, numbers, then enter. So, dito, we can see the type is hash, logical, not, modulo, caret, ampersand, parenthesis, logical, divide, period, and error, and semicolon. So, naman is, so, dito po nagtatapos. So, yun na po lahat. That's all. Thank you.